The wealth gap is widening, but in 2026, technology is leveling the playing field. You don't need a degree or a huge investment anymore. All you need is the right AI tool and a strategy. Today, I'm revealing 5 AI side hustles that are paying people every single day. Let's dive in. Side Hustle 1. AI-powered, AI-driven newsletters. Platforms like Beehive and Substack are exploding. Use AI to curate the latest news in finance or tech, summarize it, and send it out. Companies are desperate to sponsor niche audiences. It's automated, scalable, and highly profitable. Side Hustle 2. Personalized AI children's books. Self-publishing AI books. With tools like Midjourney for illustrations and ChatGPT for storytelling, you can create high-quality children's books in hours, not months. Upload them to Amazon KDP and collect royalties while you sleep. Side Hustle 3. Faceless AI social media channels. No, just like the one you're watching. AI video generators can now create realistic avatars and B-roll. Create educational or motivational content once and let the YouTube ad revenue roll in daily. Side Hustle 4. AI SEO consulting for small businesses. AI SEO auditing. Local businesses are struggling to stay visible. Use AI tools to run instant SEO audits for them. You can fix their website copy and meta tags in minutes and charge a premium for the massive value you provide. Side Hustle 5. Selling AI-generated stock media. AI stock assets. Sites like Adobe Stock now accept high-quality AI-generated images and textures. Create unique, high-demand visuals, upload them, and get paid every time someone downloads your work. It's the ultimate digital real estate. Conclusion and call to action. The era of working harder is over. It's time to work smarter. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to build your wealth in the digital age. Which of these will you start today? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.